99% of new YouTube channels will fail this year. Not because their content is bad, but because they are using 2020 strategies in a 2026 world. The YouTube algorithm has completely changed. Relying on just good keywords or uploading 5 times a day doesn't work anymore. But here's the good news. If you understand the new rules of the algorithm, you can literally blow up a brand new channel from zero to thousands of subscribers in just a few weeks. In this video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step roadmap to dominate the 2026 YouTube algorithm, clear the monetization requirements fast, and turn your channel into a cash-flowing business. No fluff, just a blueprint. Let's dive in. First, we need to talk about how the algorithm actually works right now. Forget everything you knew about heavy tag stuffing or tricking the system. In 2026, YouTube uses an advanced AI system that focuses on one thing: viewer satisfaction. YouTube doesn't care about your tags, it cares about two main metrics: click-through rate, or CTR, and average view duration. But there's a catch. If you have a high CTR because of a clickbait thumbnail, but people leave your video in the first 15 seconds, the algorithm will immediately kill your video. The AI looks at how long a viewer stays after clicking. If they stay, YouTube pushes your video to a broader audience. If they leave, you are buried. So, how do we master these metrics from day one? Let's move to step 2. Step number 2 is what top creators call packaging. This is your title and thumbnail combo. If your packaging sucks, nobody sees your video. Period. In 2026, the trend has shifted toward minimalism. The days of messy, overcrowded thumbnails with 10 different emojis are over. Look at the biggest channels right now. Their thumbnails are clean, high contrast, and tell a story in less than 1 second. Here is a golden rule for 2026. Your thumbnail creates the curiosity and your title delivers the hook. Never repeat the exact same text from your title inside your thumbnail. If your title is "How to Earn $100 a Day," your thumbnail text should say something like "Easiest Way" or "In 24 Hours." Also, keep your titles under 50 characters. Why? Because over 70% of your viewers are on mobile phones and long titles get cut off. Make it punchy, emotional, and easy to read. Now, let's say they clicked. Congratulations. But now you face the hardest boss on YouTube, the first 30 seconds. This is where most channels lose 50% of their audience. To fix this, you must eliminate the traditional intro. Stop saying, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and today we are going to talk about..." No, the viewer already clicked because of the title. They know what the video is about. Instead, use the PPP formula: preview, proof, pivot. First, preview. Reaffirm the promise of the video in the first 5 seconds. Second, proof. Show a quick visual result, data, or a teaser of what's coming. Third, pivot. Immediately jump into the first point without wasting time. Keep the visual pacing fast. Change the frame, add text, or use a sound effect every 4 to 5 seconds to keep the human brain engaged. In 2026, attention spans are shorter than ever, and you have to fight for every second of watch time. Step 4 is your uploading strategy to get monetized fast. A common mistake beginners make is uploading 30 long videos in a month, getting burned out, and quitting. In 2026, the smartest strategy is a hybrid approach. You want to use YouTube Shorts as a discovery tool to gain subscribers quickly because the Shorts feed is highly viral. But remember, Shorts don't contribute to the 4,000 hours of long-form watch time needed for regular monetization. So here is your schedule. Release 1 high-quality long-form video per week, focusing heavily on value and retention. Then, cut that long video into 3 short clips and post them throughout the week. Link the shorts back to your long video using YouTube's related video feature. This creates a closed loop of traffic, pumping subscribers and watch hours into your channel simultaneously. Look, growing on YouTube in 2026 isn't about luck. It's about data, packaging, and understanding human psychology. If you implement just these 4 steps, focusing on viewer satisfaction, clean packaging, a killer 30-second hook, and the hybrid upload strategy, you will see your metrics move. But knowing the strategy is worthless if you don't take action. So, here is your assignment for today. Pick your niche, write down 5 highly searchable topics, and script your first 30 seconds using the PPP formula. If you want to know exactly how to use AI to speed up this entire process without showing your face, click on the video right here on the screen where I break it down completely. Drop a comment below if you're ready to commit. See you in the next video.